Hi, I'm Aviva, and I'm a grow intern at the Ludwig Physics Lab. When a solid surface is bombarded by a beam of ions, it can create nanopatterns in the surface, such as nanodots or ripples, or ultrasmoothness may develop. This is a technique called ion beam sputtering, or IBS, and it has many potential applications. One example is in solar cells, because if a solar cell has a nanopattern on its surface, then it can absorb slightly more light energy, making it more efficient. There are other applications in optoelectronics and semiconductors. However, current IBS technology produces ripples that are usually inconsistent or have flaws, so more work needs to be done to make sure they're highly ordered for these applications to be useful. My experiment uses specifically thin silicon wafers that are seeded with carbon, oxygen, iron, and chromium. Previous research has mostly been with pure silicon samples, so it's important to also understand seeded silicon. To do this, we bombard the silicon samples with a beam of argon ions at a set flux and vary the bombardment angle and bombardment time. After bombardment, we put the samples in an atomic force microscope, or AFM, which can image surface topography at the nanoscale. Our scans found that for 0-degree bombardments, where the beam was perpendicular to the sample surface, there were no clear patterns or large structures developed, but a 0-degree bombardment could potentially have smoothing effects. We also found ripples formed for bombardments at 50 or 60 degrees, with the most highly ordered ones being at 50 degrees. However, there were some inconsistencies between patterns formed in different samples at similar bombardment angles and bombardment times. So more trials will need to be conducted to completely understand the behavior of silicon during ion bombardment. Our research can still be used for further analysis and comparison to previous data, and a further understanding of IBS techniques can help advance further technologies and be useful additions to many different fields. Thank you.